Hello, my name is Dr. Chaitanya and welcome to my new YouTube video. So how it works, the PPT and the Moodle. So basically when you send the PPT to us, that PPT will be uploaded to the Google Drive by our clerk, Mr. Jadhav sir. And then after that the link of the same PPT from the Google Drive will be uploaded on the LMS Moodle. And when the students see this, they can click over this link, for example introduction to pathology. So it looks something like this to the student, so they can directly see the PPT whichever topic has been covered from the lecture to them. So if you send wrong PPT will be displayed. So my request is to follow the universal format to making a title page. You can take any design or any background for your PPT, but follow this following part should be there in the PPT. Like for example, you should have a topic name clearly mentioned on that, then the part, whether it is a part 1 or part 2 or part 3, then there should be a lecture number, then there should be a subtopic like 4.1 2 3 like that, and whichever the topic has been covered in this PPT. So these all parts should be very clearly mentioned. You will get all this information from the Excel sheet timetable, comparing side by side Excel sheet with the your PPT cover. The inflammation chapter been divided into the basically into three different parts, like lecture number 6 will become the part 1, lecture number 7 will become the part 2, and lecture number 8 will become the part 3. So inflammation is the first name, then part 1, then the sixth lecture has been mentioned. Then you can see that point 4.1 has been covered over here, and then the topic covered in this part is mentioned in the green. So like that you should cut copy paste from your Excel sheet. Some topic don't have like part 1 2 3, for example here amyloidosis. Similarly you can divide the cell injury chapter into 3 parts. So hope you understood how to this. Still if you have confusion, you can check it on the Moodle LMS how it has been divided. So your PPT cover title should have the topic name, it is the inflammation over here. It should also have a whether it is part 1 2 3, and it should mention the lecture number, the topic number like 4.1 4.2 4.3, and the topic covered in this PPT.